Starting around the 7th of May 2023, HEX in every way that really matters is exchanging at 5 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.65% in very most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very critical. HEX has a sort of complete market cap of $10,080,687,927 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,388,494 in a genuinely significant manner. This by and large makes HEX beautiful positioning at 202 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX sort of be truly worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Is HEX a wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Will HEX value sort of outperform its unequaled kind of high in a kind of significant manner? These generally are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in an unpretentious manner. HEX value forecast 2023, or so they explicitly thought. As per the HEX conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the HEX cost fundamentally is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of 7 cents. The normal truly least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the very current year ought to sort of be 7 cents. Besides, HEX can in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of 8 cents, which really is genuinely huge. HEX value gauge May 2023. Concerning May 2023, HEX generally is supposed to sort of arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 5 cents in an especially large manner. The HEX cost could sort of arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of 6 cents with the by and large normal cost around 6 cents, or so they explicitly thought. HEX value expectation June 2023. The cost for HEX in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 6 cents, which in every practical sense is very huge, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around 6 cents in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value conjecture July 2023. The HEX cost for July 2023 may arrive at a really least worth of 6 cents while the kind of greatest gauge cost explicitly is around 6 cents. The kind of typical cost for HEX explicitly is by and large anticipated to sort of reach 6 cents in July 2023, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. HEX value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, HEX cost for the most part is figured to arrive at in a real sense the least cost of 6 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. The HEX cost could really arrive at a most extreme cost of 7 cents with the especially normal expected cost around 6 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. HEX value expectation September 2023. The cost for HEX in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 7 cents, exhibiting that HEX value estimate May 2023. With respect to May 2023, HEX generally is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 5 cents in a really significant manner, while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around 6 cents in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost of HEX explicitly is anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of 6 cents in October 2023, or so they generally thought. The HEX cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of 7 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 7 cents all through 2023 incredibly. HEX value expectation November 2023. The cost of HEX is in every practical sense anticipated to generally reach at a genuinely least worth of 7 cents in November 2023 in a kind of large way. The HEX cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 7 cents with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 7 cents all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the genuinely most extreme cost for HEX could really stretch around 8 cents. So the HEX cost could in a real sense arrive at an all things considered greatest worth of 7 cents with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 7 cents all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of HEX in December 2023 in a real sense is 7 cents with a kind of typical cost of 7 cents. HEX genuinely passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been somewhat diminished by 6.3% in its truly current worth in a very large manner. Assuming we for the most part analyze the essentially current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down. From absolute most recent 7 days, the HEX truly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.43%, showing how in the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX be worth in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? HEX in every practical sense. has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and for the most part put resources into an especially significant way basically. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX commonly diminished by 20.400%, taking out an incredible truly normal amount of 1 cent from its certainly current worth, or so they most certainly thought. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a decent in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for certainly speedy venture. By and large further appearance how this unexpected down generally implies that the coin truly is in plunge at this moment, implying that it can sort of be a truly great generally purchase an open door for most certainly fast speculation, or so they generally thought. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 50.49%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a very least truly normal cost of 2 cents to sort of most extreme sort of normal cost of 3 cents in the very beyond 90 days, or so they truly thought. In most recent 4 months HEX in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hence, we essentially imagine that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, showing that in this way, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of HEX sort of is expanded from 4 months, or so they basically thought. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, which really shows that the exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin is up by 63.41% with the sort of greatest truly normal cost of the coin truly was around 2 cents and the sort of least truly normal cost of especially was around 2 cents and truly beyond 4 months, exhibiting the HEX value forecast October 2023. The cost of HEX fundamentally is basically anticipated to by and large reach at a genuinely least worth of 6 cents in October 2023, which for the most part is very critical. HEX Value Gauge 2023 FAQs What will in a real sense be HEX all things considered, worth in 2023, which especially is very critical. The HEX cost basically is determined to arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 8 cents with pretty least cost of 7 cents toward the finish of 2023, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Does HEX essentially have a future? As far as cost, HEX basically has an exceptional especially potential to truly arrive at new levels, which for the most part is very critical. It for the most part is figure that HEX will increment in esteem, which truly is very critical, as per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners. HEX can raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of 38 cents till 2030, which especially demonstrates the way that besides HEX can especially arrive at a greatest value level of 8 cents in an unpretentious manner. Is HEX genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical? HEX's worth truly is supposed to fundamentally keep on extending, as lack will in general really empower cost rise, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note, there in a real sense is a gamble to any interest and in all things considered, enormous way. Just explicitly put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the sort of greatest examination conceivable in a significant manner.